Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the metal detector and confirming batteries and durability. This prevents mid-sweep failures. Walk to a low-cover zone near monuments where buried loot density is higher. You perform the first sweep by holding the detector low and moving slowly in overlapping arcs. This maximizes trigger chances. Once you hear a consistent beep, mark the spot and switch to pinpoint mode. This narrows the search radius and explains why slow, overlapping passes find targets other methods miss. You now triangulate the signal by making short, tight sweeps from 3 angles to locate the strongest beep. This reduces wasted digging. Once centered, switch to a small shovel or pit tool and excavate in a controlled, concentric pattern to avoid damaging fragile containers. Keep watching the detector. If the signal drifts, adjust sensitivity by about 10% and retriangulate. That explains why dynamic sensitivity helps distinguish close clutter from true buried items. Make sure to stash valuables. You finish by securing the recovered loot, repairing or replacing detector batteries, and confirming item pickup. Before you leave the area, scan again to ensure no additional signals and visually check for players or NPCs. This prevents ambush or missed finds. If you encounter persistent false positives, lower sensitivity and re-zero the detector at a known empty spot to recalibrate. This usually resolves noise from metallic debris. Finally, store the detector in a safe container and note coordinates for future sweeps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.